EU AB 25 certified to Embark 977, weight €2,850 net, 4 months Embark. This is urgent requirement because, as you know, the European supply is gone, so we need for these Roros 37,000 tons, 67,000 tons, Italian flag, net weight 2,850. If you are on board now, general cargo, European, you have the certificate 25AB, cruise ships, fishing ships, those type of European ABs are required urgently today, sailing between Barcelona, Valencia to Italy, a stable job, long-term job, very good company. Apply urgently within Crew Inspector link we have here below. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.